How to find albums on iOS 18. If you're having trouble finding your albums on iOS 18, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily locate your albums on the Photos app in iOS 18, so let's get started. First, open the Photos app. Now, you'll be on the Photos tab by default, where you can see all your recent pictures. Now, at the bottom of the screen, here you can simply see media types, utilities, and albums. If you don't see the Albums tab, what you can do is tap on Customize and Reorder and make sure album is in tick mark. If there is no tick mark, simply tap on Albums to make sure it is shown. And once you've done that, tap on Wrong and you'll be able to find your albums in your Photos app. And that's it. Simply tap on the album that you want to view and you'll be able to view all the photos from that album. And that's it. That's how you can simply learn how to find your albums on iOS 18.